Now to import or export passwords from Google Passwords Manager, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. And on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for passwords, passkeys, and autofill. Now just tap on it, and on this page, just tap on Google. From here, just scroll down and tap on Google Password Manager. Now if you look at the bottom of the page, you will find the option for settings. Now just tap on it. Now over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option to export passwords or import passwords. Now let's start with export passwords. If you tap on export passwords, it will show you this notification which says that your passwords will be visible to anyone who can access your files, including the apps of your phone. Now to export the passwords, just tap on export, then enter your lock screen PIN. And after that, in the downloads folder of your Samsung phone, you will be able to export all the passwords which are saved in the Google Passwords Manager. Now just tap on save. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Files app on my Samsung phone, and from here if we open the downloads folder, we will find a CSV file which contains all the passwords of our Google Password Manager. Just like that. Now to import passwords in Google Passwords Manager, first of all, you will have to create a CSV folder which contains all the passwords which you want to import. Now after you do that, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just tap on More Security Settings, and over here, just scroll down and tap on Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. On this page, just tap on Google, and from here, just scroll down and select Google Password Manager. Now at the bottom of the screen, just tap on Settings, and from here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Import Passwords. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now from the Files app of your Samsung phone, just select the CSV file which contains all the passwords which you want to import. For example, I'll select this folder. As you can see, these are all the passwords which are saved in the folder. Now just select Done. And after you do that, you will import the passwords from your phone to Google Passwords Manager. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.